In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create highlighted text with backgrounds in a Systeme.io sales funnel. Whether you're a seasoned Systeme.io user or a beginner, just diving into the world of sales funnel creation, understanding how to highlight text for added emphasis can significantly enhance your page design and draw more attention to key information. So let's get started by logging into your Systeme.io account. First, head over to your browser and navigate to the Systeme.io website. Enter your login credentials on the dashboard page to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, take your cursor and hover over the website option in the menu. This will reveal a drop-down where you need to select Sales Funnels to proceed. Clicking here will allow you to choose the specific sales funnel you would like to edit. Next, it's time to delve into the editor itself. Click to open the editor for your selected funnel. Now that you're in editor mode, we need to address the text element. Look for the text element within the editor tools and click and drag it onto the main editing page. This action will give you a blank canvas for us to work our textual magic. Once your text element is in place, you'll notice a small gear icon. Clicking on this icon will unveil additional customization options. Here, focus on text background color, a crucial tool for setting the emotional tone and readability of your highlighted text. Click to open the color palette and review the variety of background shades available. Choose a background color that complements your page design and aligns with the overall theme or message you want to convey. It might be helpful to stick with contrasting colors that will make your text stand out. After selecting your background color, turn your attention back to the text by highlighting the block of text you want to modify. With the text highlighted, navigate to the font color option, a vital step in ensuring your text remains visible against its new background. Click to explore the available font colors. Select a color that offers enough contrast against the background while matching your brand's color scheme. Consider colors that are easy on the eyes, promoting a comfortable reading experience. Finally, after you've made your color selections, don't forget to save your work. Click the Save Changes button to ensure all your adjustments are secure. This step is essential to avoid losing any of the modifications you've worked on. And there you have it. These straightforward steps set the stage for creating visually appealing highlighted text within your sales funnel, drawing attention to the most crucial elements of your message. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to take some time to experiment with the color combinations to see what best suits your brand style. Happy designing!